This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare IELTS reading at home. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 distinct reading sections: academic, general training, and the various question types within each. It's crucial to practice managing your time effectively, aiming to answer all 40 questions within the 60-minute limit. Building a robust vocabulary is also key. Focus on academic words you'll encounter in the passages. To truly excel, you must master the different question types. Practice identifying formats such as true, false, not given, and multiple choice. Develop strategies to quickly locate specific information, often by scanning for keywords. Additionally, dedicate time to practicing matching headings to paragraphs and accurately completing sentences using words directly from the text. This targeted approach will significantly boost your score. Effective practice is paramount. Make it a habit to read diverse academic articles daily, exposing yourself to various topics and writing styles. Utilize official IELTS practice tests to simulate exam conditions, helping you build stamina and confidence. After each practice session, thoroughly review your incorrect answers. Understanding why you made a mistake is vital for learning and preventing similar errors in the future. Finally, consistently work on improving your reading speed and comprehension through daily exercises. On test day, remember to stay calm and focused. A clear mind performs best. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your study space tidy. Consistent effort and smart preparation will lead to success in your IELTS reading exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.